welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, hey, I am Linda, and if not, what's up? So as you can see, I am jumping on the popular bandwagon, and I thought, I have plenty of makeup. It's a weekend. Why not film a video where I am going to try and follow the affordable drugstore fall makeup tutorial from Jaclyn Hill, mainly because I have the Jaclyn Hill eyeshadow palette that I really never ever use. I think I've used this maybe 3 or 4 times. As you can see, it's not been very well loved. I've used it a few times. So I figured I would go on her channel, find something that I know I can try and recreate, and then we'd go from there. So that's what it is. So if you want to see how I'm going to cake my face like Jaclyn Hill in her drugstore affordable fall makeup tutorial that was posted on the 24th of September of 2017, I will leave the video link down below. Now, one thing before we jump in, you will see my eyebrows are already done. I used the Salon Perfect Done in One Brow Pomade. I am too cheap right now to own the Anastasia, however you want to pronounce it, Dip Brow. I'm too cheap to own anything other than that brow pomade. If you're curious, that's why my eyebrows are already done, because I've never seen anybody else use that. So let's just get on into whatever tutorial and hot mess I can make this. Let's go. So Jaclyn starts off her video with, let me pull it up.
Oh, hallelujah. I cannot believe how bad my nails look. This is like...
She is using the...
If I got embarrassed...
She's using the NYX Angel Veil Primer. The primer I'm going to use today, Illuminating Primer. So I am going to use the Emite Makeup Diamond Heart Base Primer. She's using the Melania 2-in-1 Perfect Foundation, and I obviously don't own that, so I'm just going to use what I've been using, which is my Physicians Formula foundation. And I just do a pump and a half on the back of my hand, and then I dot it over my face just so I can see just how much I really need. I'm using a Real Technique sponge to blend that out. Okay, so Jaclyn is using a Maybelline Infallible Concealer. I obviously don't own that either, so I am just going to use the concealer that I have been using, and that is the NARS Radiant Cream. That is the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer.
Oh my god, it's like stinging my eye. Oh crap, hold on. Oh my gosh, it's like actually stinging my eye. Hold on.
Okay, so I was wrong. Okay, so as the video continued, the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Glow Concealer for her, which was actually stinging her skin, and so she changed over. She actually went and grabbed the ColourPop No Filter Concealer. I own that, but it's too late, so we're just gonna have to keep on going. The next step Jaclyn takes is to powder her face. She's using the L'Oreal True Match, and I don't have that, so I'm just going to be using my Rimmel London Stay Matte. So she bakes under her eyes so that way she will not ruin her base with fallout from the eyeshadows. I am not going to do that. She is using her Jaclyn Hill palette, so I'm going to follow exactly what she's doing. She's going to start out with Creamsicle, which is this color here. Let's see what she does.
Once we have on all those other colors, this color is just going to kind of beam through from the very bottom and just tie it all together and give it like that, that it needs.
Now she's using that Pukey color, and she's just layering it right on top, so that's exactly what I'm going to be doing. Okay, her next step is she's taking Central Park, the one she likes to call Central Park, and she's dabbing it a little bit in the brown just so it's not too dark, and she's keeping it out on the outer corners of her eyes. So let's see if I can get to that stuff. Okay, then she wants to use the shade Diva. She said this is the hardest shade she had to try and create. So let's see what she wants to do with this. I'm going to take a Coastal Scents flat brush and I'm going to just spray it. Just give it a spritz on both sides. She wasn't joking. This shade is stunning. So we've got the main shadows on. As you can see, this is that beautiful color that she has on. So the next shade she goes into, which is the forest light green shade next to her, next to the other color, and she is just overlapping that color just to give it a nice blended look. So I'm taking my fluffy brush and doing the same thing. Next, she decides to take Pool Party and put it on where those two colors meet. So let me find a brush. And she wants a very, very light wash of this. She doesn't want it very heavy, so for her brow bone highlight, she uses the first shade in the palette. She's just going to mix the Pukey and the creamsicle color to line her bottom lash line. So there you have it. That is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed the parts that you didn't really get to see. I used the NARS Beurre de Plage. I mixed Casino and Laguna bronzer together and just kind of chiseled my cheeks and bronzed up my face. I used the e.l.f. blush palette. I couldn't tell you what colors. It was like a very similar mauve-y pink, except mine turned out more pink. And I then used a the Tarte little things that the little mini lipsticks I have, whatever they're called, and that was it. So if you liked this video, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't, let me know in the comments why. And I am signing off for this video. It did not get a full ending because 2 days worth of editing, all the clips were fried and disappeared, and I think my computer has a virus or something, so you're finally gonna get this hopefully tomorrow morning. So I gotta go take a shower. So if you guys liked this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. It's free. Remember, it's free. And hit that bell notification because I've noticed the last 3 videos I have done, nobody's seen them. Nobody. So if you don't hit that bell notification, you're never gonna see this video. So if you want to see videos like that, you're gonna have to hit that bell. So with that, I will see you all in another video. Bye.